Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw the Scarlet Spider, another character from Spider-Man. I believe Scarlet Spider's like a clone, I think? I hope they have him in the movie. Anyways, let's get started, okay? I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw a curve right here to the top of the head. Don't forget, this is for beginners, and it's a very, very fast lesson, okay? So it's short, stay all the way to the very end. You'll get every bit of, like, information. Going to go curve over here for the back of the head. Pulling over here for the front of the head here. We have a slight curve. Curve right here to the chin area. Alright. Curve underneath. Up. Down. Alright. Down over here. Up. Line. So the way the Scarlet Spider is, he basically has Spider-Man's outfit, except he's got like this kind of hoodie, what do you call, like a hoodie t-shirt thing? Not t-shirt, hoodie tank top thing going on. It's like it's a hoodie with no sleeves, like a tank top. They got to bring those back. But anyways, that's kind of just to tell you about that. Gonna go in line for this hoodie. We're gonna start drawing this hoodie first. Line over here, up, over here, down for the hoodie. Curve. Okay, gonna go on this side now. This side of the hoodie. Down for the, look at that hoodie tank top thing. All right. Line. Right here, gonna zigzag down because it's kind of loose fit on him. Line over here. Let's go over here to the arm. Curve right here for the shoulder. Line over here. Muscle area. Line over here. I'm gonna finish up that hoodie right there. A tricep, elbow off the page here. Line over here for the deltoid. Curve over here. Okay, we got one arm there. Now we're gonna go to the other arm. Curve over here for the far side arm. Line over here. Line down. Line over here. Bicep, forearm over here in this area. Cool. And then we're gonna draw like a line down. He's got like a belt and stuff like that, but we're not really gonna see that off the page, so it's not a big deal. Let's go back up into the face area. By the way, don't forget to hit that like button if you do enjoy this kind of stuff. If you enjoy different versions of Spider-Man being drawn, like lesson-wise. But yeah, line over here. I'm gonna add a little bit of that hoodie. I think it needs a little more right there. That's why I did that. Fill it in over here. Fill it in. Line over here for the strings of the hoodie. Same thing on this side. Gonna go over here on this side, and now I'm gonna do the Spider-Man eyes, which is really gonna give the whole vibe to it. Gonna go right here, curve up. Gonna go over here on this side, curve, go down here. Line here on this side, up, curve, up over here. Right on. And the thing is, he doesn't really have the webbing on there. So we're mostly done. What I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna give him a little bit of dark here under the neck to give the drawing a little gravitas. Maybe give it drawing right a little darkness right here in the kind of the armpit area, the deltoid, and then right here on the bicep. Just give it a little bit of dark there to kind of ground it there. Same thing over here along the deltoid. And fill it in. line over here as well. Don't forget, by the way, check out the new website, sketchingeasy.com. There is a beginner drawing lesson on there. You just have to click the dragon. Line over here, line. Same thing over here, kind of folding it up. Curve in this area. And you can probably throw like the pectoralis stuff there too, kind of vaguely showing where the muscles are. Cool. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna thicken the eyes. I think that needs thickening, to be honest. So I'm gonna thicken the line around the eyes. Curve over here, just kind of filling it in. Gives it a much better look, honestly. What is your favorite version of Spider-Man, by the way? Let me know. I'm really curious. For me, it's probably the Amazing Spider-Man. I think I like that. I mean, the movies, obviously, you know, like out of those. But I'm thinking of like the comics, stuff like that. I really like this version. I really like the Amazing Spider-Man. There's a lot. So also, he does have a spider on his chest. Sometimes, like plenty of times, so you can draw diamond shape downward. Maybe the top right there will be like the center of the spider. You can fill that in. Has like the head of the spider, and then you can draw these two legs kind of aiming up like a hook, and then he's got two more aiming down like a hook. And you can probably fill those in at your leisure. You can probably like thicken them out as you want. I'm not really gonna. I'll do it a little bit, but I won't do it a lot. I'll thicken them out just a bit. But honestly, I find them to be interfering with the drawing. So sometimes I will change stuff if I think it's interfering with the drawing. Don't forget, say hi to me in the comments section. I love hearing you guys' comments. And that's it. That is the Scarlet Spider. Let me know who knew who this was beforehand. Draw like a line there. And that's it. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video and see you very soon, okay? Don't forget to reach out, say hi to me, and give me a digital high five.